Fluke LVD1 non-contact voltage tester combines the functionality of test tools into one compact package. This tester can be clipped to a pocket or hard hat. In addition to voltage detection capabilities, the LVD1 features a bright white light emitting diode flashlight. The flashlight is ideal for illuminating poorly lit areas. This makes it easier to see potential hazards or find the way around in the dark. The LVD1's unique live circuit indicator provides an additional level of safety by warning of the presence of live circuits. When the tester is held near a live circuit, the light-emitting diode will flash red. The LVD1 is a versatile and cost-effective tool that is perfect for a wide range of electrical applications. It is ideal for electricians, maintenance personnel, and homeowners. Firstly, the Fluke LVD1 detects alternating current voltage from 90 to 1000 volts. Secondly, it includes a bright white light emitting diode flashlight. Thirdly, it contains a unique live circuit indicator. Fourthly, it is compact and lightweight. Fifthly, it clips to a pocket or hard hat. Sixthly, it is affordable. The Fluke LVD1 is a must-have tool for those working with electricity. It is a safe, reliable, and easy-to-use tool that can help avoid electrical hazards. When dealing with electrical circuits and equipment, safety is paramount. Non-contact voltage testers like the Fluke LVD1 are valuable tools for electricians, maintenance personnel, and homeowners alike. These devices allow you to detect the presence of voltage without making direct contact with live wires, reducing the risk of electric shock. The Fluke LVD1 specifically offers a range of benefits that make it a practical and essential tool for various electrical tasks. One of the key features of the Fluke LVD1 is its ability to detect alternating current voltage ranging from 90 to 1000 volts. This voltage range covers a wide spectrum of electrical systems commonly found in residential, commercial, and industrial settings. By simply holding the tester near a wire or electrical component, you can quickly determine if voltage is present. This is particularly useful when troubleshooting electrical issues or verifying that circuits are de-energized before performing maintenance or repairs. The bright white light emitting diode flashlight is another significant advantage of the Fluke LVD1. Many electrical work environments are poorly lit, making it difficult to see clearly and increasing the risk of accidents. The integrated flashlight provides ample illumination to help you navigate dark spaces, identify potential hazards, and perform tasks more efficiently. Whether you're working in a dimly lit electrical panel or tracing wires in a dark crawl space, the flashlight is a valuable asset. The live circuit indicator is a unique safety feature of the Fluke LVD1 that provides an additional layer of protection. This indicator alerts you to the presence of live circuits by flashing a red light emitting diode when the tester is held near a live wire. This visual warning helps you to quickly identify potentially dangerous situations and take appropriate precautions to avoid electric shock. The compact and lightweight design of the Fluke LVD1 makes it easy to carry and use in a variety of settings. The tester is small enough to fit comfortably in your pocket or tool belt, and it weighs very little, so it won't weigh you down during long workdays. The built-in clip allows you to securely attach the tester to your pocket or hard hat, keeping it readily accessible when you need it. Affordability is another factor that makes the Fluke LVD1 an attractive option for both professionals and homeowners. The tester is priced competitively, making it an accessible tool for anyone who wants to improve their electrical safety. Despite its low cost, the Fluke LVD1 is a durable and reliable tool that will provide years of dependable service. When using the Fluke LVD1 or any non-contact voltage tester, it's essential to follow proper safety procedures. Firstly, always read and understand the manufacturer's instructions before using the tester. Secondly, make sure the tester is in good working condition and that the batteries are properly charged. Thirdly, hold the tester near the wire or electrical component you want to test and observe the indicator light. If the light illuminates, voltage is present. Fourthly, always double-check your readings with another testing method, such as a multimeter, before working on any electrical circuits. Fifthly, never assume a circuit is de-energized based solely on the reading of a non-contact voltage tester. Always verify with a multimeter before touching any wires or components. In summary, the Fluke LVD1 non-contact voltage tester is a versatile and essential tool for anyone who works with electricity. Its ability to detect voltage, illuminate dark spaces, and provide visual warnings of live circuits makes it a valuable asset for electricians, maintenance personnel, and homeowners alike. By following proper safety procedures and using the Fluke LVD1 correctly, you can significantly reduce the risk of electrical hazards and ensure a safer working environment. A non-contact voltage tester such as the Fluke LVD1 operates on the principle of capacitive coupling. This means that the tester detects the presence of an alternating current electrical field without making direct contact with the conductor. When an alternating current voltage is applied to a conductor, it creates an electric field around the conductor. The strength of this electric field is proportional to the voltage applied. The non-contact voltage tester contains a sensor that is sensitive to electric fields. When the tester is brought near a conductor carrying alternating current voltage, the sensor detects the electric field and triggers an indicator such as a light or a sound to alert the user to the presence of voltage. The sensitivity of the sensor determines the distance at which the tester can detect voltage. Testers with higher sensitivity can detect voltage from a greater distance. It's important to note that non-contact voltage testers are designed to detect alternating current voltage only. They can't detect direct current voltage. The reason for this is that direct current voltage does not create an oscillating electric field, which is necessary for the tester to function. When using a non-contact voltage tester, it's important to be aware of certain factors that can affect its accuracy. Firstly, the distance between the tester and the conductor can affect the reading. The closer the tester is to the conductor, the stronger the electric field and the more reliable the reading. Secondly, the presence of other electrical conductors or grounded objects nearby can interfere with the electric field and affect the reading. Thirdly, the type of insulation on the conductor can also affect the reading. Thick insulation can weaken the electric field and make it more difficult to detect voltage. Despite these limitations, non-contact voltage testers are valuable tools for quickly and safely detecting the presence of voltage in electrical circuits. They are particularly useful for troubleshooting electrical problems, verifying that circuits are energized before working on them, and identifying live wires in walls or ceilings. To ensure accurate and reliable readings, it's important to use a high-quality non-contact voltage tester and to follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. It's also important to regularly test the tester on a known live circuit to verify that it is functioning properly. In addition to the Fluke LVD1, there are many other non-contact voltage testers available on the market. These testers vary in terms of their features, sensitivity, and price. Some testers have additional features, such as the ability to detect direct current voltage or to measure the strength of the electric field. When choosing a non-contact voltage tester, it's important to consider your specific needs and the types of electrical work you will be performing. If you work with a wide range of electrical systems, you may want to choose a tester with a wide voltage range and high sensitivity. If you primarily work on residential electrical systems, a less expensive tester with a lower voltage range may be sufficient. Regardless of the type of non-contact voltage tester you choose, it's important to use it properly and to follow all safety precautions. Non-contact voltage testers are valuable tools, but they are not a substitute for proper electrical safety training and procedures. Always consult with a qualified electrician if you have any questions or concerns about electrical safety. The Fluke LVD1 non-contact voltage tester is a practical tool that combines voltage detection and a flashlight in one device. The combination of functions in a single unit makes it convenient and efficient for electrical work. Voltage detection is important for identifying live circuits and ensuring safety during electrical tasks. The non-contact feature allows for testing without direct contact with wires, reducing the risk of electric shock. The flashlight is helpful for illuminating dark work areas, improving visibility and safety. The Fluke LVD1 is a compact and portable tool that can be easily carried in a pocket or tool belt. Its durable construction ensures it can withstand the demands of everyday use. The Fluke LVD1 is suitable for both professional electricians and homeowners. It can be used for a variety of electrical tasks such as troubleshooting circuits, testing outlets, and identifying wiring issues. With its ease of use and safety features, the Fluke LVD1 non-contact voltage tester is a valuable tool for anyone working with electricity. The flashlight is an added benefit that enhances its versatility and makes it a convenient choice for various electrical applications. The Fluke LVD1 is a reliable and durable tool that provides accurate voltage detection and reliable illumination. Its compact size and lightweight design make it easy to carry and use in tight spaces. The Fluke LVD1 is a cost-effective solution for both professionals and homeowners. It offers a combination of features and performance that make it a great value for the price. The Fluke LVD1 is a must-have tool for anyone working with electricity. It provides the necessary safety features and convenience to make electrical tasks easier and safer.